So I am going to give you now formula and then we will do the problems on shortcut methods of integration. Okay. So integration ax plus b divided by square root of x square plus cx plus d dx. Whenever you have shortcut formula will be a square root of x square plus cx plus d plus b minus half ac log mod x plus c by 2 plus square root of x square plus cx plus d plus c. This is the formula. Listen to me. So this is the formula. See here, integration of whenever you have integration of linear by quadratic shortcut formula. See, I'll explain now shortcut formula. If you want theory part, also I'll explain after the shortcuts. Integration of ax plus b upon square root of x square plus cx plus d dx is a into, see here on the top you have a, so a into denominator quadratic, that is under root of x square plus cx plus d plus b minus half ac log mod x plus the middle one c divided by 2 plus the quadratic full plus c. This will be the answer. This will be the shortcut formula. This is going to be a shortcut formula to find linear by quadratic any problems. Okay. Now let us solve some questions. Now you want to find integration of x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. So I want to find integration of this. Actual method you can do it. Another way is this. These are methods we have. But if you want to do in shortcuts, you just compare these both. You just compare these both. A place you have 1, B place you have 2, C place you just compare here. C place you have 2 and D place you have 3. Just compare the values here, these both. You compare them. A plus 1, D plus 2, C plus 2, D plus 3 and substitute in the formula. You are going to get the answer is 1 into square root of quadratic x square plus 2x plus 3 plus b. B means what? What is b? What is b here? B is 2. B is what is b here? 2. 2 minus half into a. A is what? How much? A is how much? 1 into c. C is how much? 2. Log mod x plus c. C means 2. 2 divided by 2 plus under root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. So 2 to cancel one time. Here 2 to cancel. So answer you are going to get x square plus 2x plus 3 plus, and I am going to get 2 minus 1 is 1 log mod x plus 1 log mod x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 6. So here within one step you are going to solve the problem. So if you have shortcuts, what is these are the shortcuts are useful for MHCET, because MHCET to solve this question it will take lot of time. In MHCET you can find such questions also. So it will take lot of time when you are doing in MHCET. But here you can do easily shortcut way. So please note down this. Understood? Do you understand? Shortcut. Did you understand this? Okay. So note down this. I'll give one more question. You can solve it. So these questions, these shortcut methods are very much useful. Okay. Now the question is integration of. Okay. Now the next question is integration of 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 dx. You have to find the integration of this. See, already I told you I am here to explain you shortcuts for the CET. Okay, solve and tell me the answer. Ah, madam. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. So is it completed? You got the answer? You got the answer? Do you got the answer or not? Do you got the answer? What is the answer? Tell me. You can speak even. How much you got answer? Okay, see here. I'll tell you how to do. Integration of 6x plus 7 divided by square root of, you multiply this. You multiply inside. So x into x square minus 4x minus 5x plus 5 fours are 20. So you are going to get here x square minus 9x plus 20. So now these both are same model they are. So now what we can do here, if these both are same, ax plus b upon under root of x square plus cx plus d, these both are same. Now this is, you have the shortcut formula. So what is the value of a here? A is equal to 6, b is equal to 7. Compare this, compare with a is equal to 6, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 9, d is equal to 20. Substitute here, substitute here. So what I am going to get the answer is, what I am going to get the answer, just the answer will be integration of, of that, I forgot. Okay, so I erased it, right? Integration value will be getting as a value 6 into under root of, I need to write that. What was the you're getting? I erased the question. I will check the question once. I check the question once. Integration of 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 dx. So if you simplify this, integration of 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, so I get as x square minus 9x plus 20 square root plus b. B means what? 7 minus half into AC. That is 6 into minus 9. And log modulus x plus c by 2. C means how much? Minus 9. Minus 9 by 2. Plus square root of x square. X square minus 9x plus 20 plus c. This is the answer. You have to simplify this, you will get the answer. Understood? Did you understand, everyone? Understood or no? Did you understand? You have solved? How many of you solved? How many of you solved? How many of you solved? Okay. Radhika solved? Very good, very good. Nikita solved, very good. Tanishka done, very good. So this shortcut is, you understood? See, that is the reason I just want to teach you all the shortcuts first. Let these shortcuts finish. After that, I will explain the concept. Even concepts all are there in YouTube. Already I uploaded, right? If you want, I will send one by one. The shortcuts you don't know, na? It is very important for CET. So after that, we will do the CET previous year questions also. Integration CET previous year questions. Okay, sir. Next question. Integration of 3x plus 2 divided by under root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 dx is equal to how much? This is the question. Write down. So we have the formula is what? Integration of ax plus b by square root of x square plus cx plus d is equal to, you have the formula a into square root of x square plus cx plus d plus b minus half ac log mod x plus c by 2 into plus square root of x square plus cx plus d plus c. See, remember the formula. Just remember the formula. It's very easy formula. So any question is in the form of linear by quadratic will be solved by this formula. It's the most easiest formula. Easy formula. See, a into, see that, how to remember? A into square root of this one, okay, plus b minus half ac log x plus c by 2 plus square root of x square plus cx plus d plus c. Okay, now this question not in the same manner. What I do here, integration of 3x plus 2 divided by this, I will divide by 2 because it should be matched with here coefficient 1. So divide by 2, I get as x square plus x plus half dx I am going to get. Means I am going to take root 2 common. I am going to take 2 common from this square root. So root will come out, so 1 by root 2 I get. Are you getting it? So I am taking what here? In denominator 2 common in the bracket. Because the coefficient must be 1. If the coefficient must be 1, I have to take here, I have to take 2 common. The 2 comes out 1 by root 2. Now This question looks like as the same of this. Now apply the formula and tell me the answer. Apply the formula and tell me the answer. Apply formula and say the answer. So now apply the formula and say the answer. Means I can get here this is equal to 1 by root 2. Formula I am applying according to the formula, because now according to the formula A means compare this both. A is equal to how much? 3. B is equal to how much? 2. Compare this. C is equal to how much? 1. D is equal to how much? Half. Now substitute in this. Okay. Now if I substitute, what I get here? 1 by root 2a. 3 square root of x square plus x plus half plus b. B means what here? 2 minus 1 by 2a. 3 into 1 log mod x plus c by 2. C is what? 1. 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus x plus half plus c. You are able to see complete board? Whether it is complete board is visible? Let me know whether you can see the board or not. So if you simplify this, you are going to get the final answer. The answer is 1 by root 2 3 under root of x square plus x plus half plus here I can write 2 minus 3 by 4. 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 2. See here, this is 2 minus 3 by 2. So if I do LCM, 4 minus 3 by 2, that is 1 by 2 I am going to get. 1 by 2 log mod, if I do LCM, 2x plus 1 by 2, okay, 2x plus 1 by 2 plus, if I do here LCM, I can get 2x square plus 2x plus 1 plus c. If you do here also, you are going to get 2x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is what the answer, final answer. Did you understand? No, not able to see the board. Are you able to see complete board or not? Whatever I wrote, is it that you are able to see? Whatever I wrote, that you are able to see? No. Now it is you are able to see. Now it is proper. Now you are able to see. Yes, able. Okay, fine. So did you understand? Swara, Nikita, Tanishka, Akash understood? Do you understand this? Yeah. The formula, how it is working? Formula, shortcut formula. Yeah, fine. Now note down. Note down. Note it down first. See, after completing this shortcuts, I will solve all previous year questions of MHCET. Okay, I will solve all, sir. It will be minus half. Okay, all previous year questions of MHCET I will solve after we completing these shortcuts. Okay, first I am explaining the shortcuts whatever available. Okay, then after we will solve all previous year questions. Okay, previous year, whatever the questions they asked, All that I will explain. Can I rise? I am checking all the previous year questions. Previous questions, what are there? I am just checking it. Done? Okay, sir. Next concept. See, today after completing this integration shortcuts, tomorrow onwards, previous questions I shared you na worksheet. From that, all previous year questions I'll explain. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, all previous year integration complete previous year questions I'll explain. So therefore, you will get this topic perfect. So you will get this topic perfect. You can write in exam easily. Okay. Another form, if the questions are integration of a e to the power of x plus b by c e to the power of x plus d. If you have the questions in this form, so the answer is b by d into x plus ad minus bc divided by cd log mod c e to the power of x plus d. So this is the formula. Whenever the questions are in this format, so such questions will be solved by this shortcut formula. Like integration of, suppose, integration of you have 3 e power x plus 4 divided by 2 e power x plus 1. You want to solve this question. Integration of 3 e power x plus 4 divided by 2 e power x plus 1 dx. You want to solve such questions. So we can use this formula, above formula. What is the formula? B by d into x plus ad minus bc upon cd log mod c e power x plus d plus c. So according to this, what is a here? A is equal to 3. What is b here? B is equal to 4. What is C here? C is equal to 2. What is D here? D is equal to 1. Just substitute in that. So what I am going to get B by D, that is 4 by 1 into X plus AD. AD means 4 3s are 12 minus BC. AD, AD means what here? 3 into 1. 3 minus BC. BC 4 to the 8 divided by C into D. C into D, that is 2 log mod C. C is 2. 2 e to the power of x plus D is 1 plus C. You are going to get. That is 4x plus minus 5 by 2 log mod 2 e power x plus 1 plus C is the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer. So whenever you have the questions on this model, like if the questions are integration of a into e power x plus b upon c into e power x plus d into dx, then we can use this formula. This is the formula can be used for shortcuts. Okay. So today just I will explain all shortcuts. After completing the shortcut, tomorrow I will explain previous year questions. So previous year questions you will get benefit. All the if I explain all the previous year questions, then you will be getting the benefit of that. You are going to get the benefit of this. A into e to the power of x. So you can solve such questions, any type of these questions, using this formula you can solve. Please note it down. Understood? Understood everyone? Understood? If not understand, please let me know. If anybody not understood, let me know. So you can do one question I'll give. The question is integration of 3 e power x minus 4 upon e power x plus 1 dx. Solve this. If you understand, solve that. If you have understood, solve that question. If it is done, say done. So I will go for next question. If it is done, say done. So I will go for next. Done. So next question. See, I am just giving the shortcuts questions, shortcut formulas. Okay, that will be helpful. What are the shortcuts are there in integration? So that I am giving you. In the previous lecture also I gave, but voice is not recorded. Okay, voice not recorded that. So integration, this is the another form, integration of u v dx form, and the special type, this type question. Integration of, even I gave you in the JEE questions also, because these are going to ask in JEE. Integration of e power ax cos dx. Whenever you have integration of e power ax cos dx, the answer is e to the power of ax by a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin x dx plus c. This is the formula. Second formula, integration of e to the power of ax sin bx dx is equal to e to the power of ax divided by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. So these are the two shortcut formulas, and these are very important for JEE also. JEE mains also it is important, and important for CET also, MS CET also. And at that time I given the proof also. At JEE class I gave this proof also. Integration of e power x cos bx dx. Integration of e power ax cos bx dx. UV formula. You know the Euler. You remember Euler? We have learned Euler. Okay, related to Euler these are. So now integration of, whenever you have integration of e power ax cos bx dx, the integration formula will be e power ax into a square plus b square under bracket a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c is the answer. Integration of e power ax sin bx dx is equal to formula e raised to power ax upon a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c is the answer. So these are the formulas to find integration of these types. So let's solve a question now. Let's solve the question. Example, solve the question. Integration of e power 4x cos 5x dx is equal to how much? Suppose you have given you integration of e power 4x cos 5x dx. So you want to find the integration of this. So what is the formula here? E to the power of. See, you compare this both. You compare this both. A is equal to how much? 4. B is equal to how much? 5. You just compare this. So e to the power of 4x divided by 4 square plus 5 square. A means here 4. 4 sin 5x minus 5 cos. See, 5 cos 5x plus c will be the answer. So this is the way, very simply one step we can solve it. So you have to remember these formulas. Okay, these are the formulas you have to remember. Okay, you can just remember these formulas. You are going to get the answers. Understand? 4 cos 5x. A plus है ना? अच्छा, I applied wrong. Okay, this one here 4 cos. Sorry, I applied wrong formula. So here you have to apply this one, na, cos this one. E to the power of a, that is 4x upon 4 square plus y square. 4 cos 5x plus 5 sin 5x plus c is the answer. This is the right answer. You just substitute here. Okay, substitute in this. So you are going to get what here? E to the power of 4x upon 5 square 25 and 4 square 16. 25 plus 16, that is equal to 41. So 41 4 cos 5x plus 5 sin 5x plus c is the answer. So whenever you have integration this model e to the power of ax cos bx dx, we have to solve like this. Understood? Copy. Copy this. Huh? Understood or not? Did you understand? Understood? Did you understand? Yes. Okay, okay. Yes, good. So copy that. Okay, you do one question also. You do the question. Integration e to the power of 5x sine 2x dx. What is the answer for this? Integration e to the power of 5x sine dx. Okay, do the. If you copied, say done. If you have copied, say done. If you have copied, say done. Tomorrow, everyone join. Tomorrow, I will explain previous year questions of MHCET integrations. Integration previous year questions I will explain. Is it done? Completed? Done. Okay. So, next one, integration of e to the power of 2x into 2 sine 3x plus 3 cos 3x dx is equal to dash. So you want to find integration of this one. Integration of, you have to find integration of e to the power of 2x into 2 sine 3x plus 3 cos 3x dx. So what to do here? I will multiply inside integration of, I multiply 2 into e to the power of 2x sine 3x plus here you are going to multiply inside, so you get 3 into integration of e to the power of 2x cos 3x dx. Now apply this shortcut formula and apply this shortcut formula and you can solve it. I explained that now shortcut formula for this separate, shortcut formula for this separate, you can apply and find me, say, tell me the answer. Understood what I said? So just apply the shortcut formula. Did you understand? Shortcut formula you can apply, you find it. Okay, next question next formula I'll explain. Whenever you have like this, you just apply next formulas. Formula you can apply, you will get the answer. Okay. So next formula. See, I am just giving you all previous like what we can say shortcuts formulas. Okay. Then after we will do the problems. Tomorrow we will do the problems. Okay. So I is equal to integration is equal to dx upon whenever you have dx upon ax square plus bx plus c. Whenever you have if discriminant of this quadratic equation, that is b square minus 4ac, discriminant of this quadratic equation less than 0, then apply the formula I is equal to 2 upon, formula is 2 upon, then the answer is just giving the shortcut formula now. If this will be two types, discriminant less than 0, discriminant greater than 0. If discriminant less than 0, the formula is I is equal to 2 upon square root of 4ac minus b square tan inverse d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c divided by square root of 4ac minus b square plus c. This is the formula. If discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the answer is I is equal to 1 upon square root of b square minus 4ac log d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c divide minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus square root of b square minus 4ac plus c is the formula. So here, listen to me. Now these are the shortcut formulas. Whenever you have integration dx by ax square plus bx plus c is there, means 1 upon quadratic when you have. When discriminant greater than 0, this is the formula. When discriminant less than 0, this is the formula. Shortcut formula to find the integration. Okay, these are the shortcut formulas. So you want to use the shortcut formula, you can use. Otherwise, you can use the your methods. You know the methods. According to the methods, you can use. Otherwise, this is the formulas. Okay. So last 2-3 formulas left over. All formulas over. Therefore, we will start the previous year question tomorrow. So the question is, you can solve these questions. One question I am giving you: integration dx upon x square minus 6x plus 13. Next one, integration dx upon 3x square plus 13x minus 10. So here you have to find the integration of this. Actually, in integration, these to find, we use the perfect square method. Then integration of x square minus a square formula, or integration of a square minus x square formula we will use. Actually, we will use that. But here, shortcutly, we can find the solution of this like this. Please note down, I will explain. Please note down, I will explain. These are shortcuts. Please note down that I will explain. Please note down. After noting down, say done. So these are the shortcut formulas. If you want to remember, you can remember and do. Otherwise, you can solve by method. Even method. What I explained today, and the previous day, what I explained. The method problems also, the video solution I'll share you, because already I have taught. It is there in YouTube, so I will share that also. Method also I'll share in the group. You can check it. Okay. After copying that, say done. It is if you have copied this, say done. Is it done? Okay, only Patang Sri Sai said done. Remain others done, completed. So let us use the formula and solve these questions. Okay, which one I can solve? I will solve one question. Okay, I will solve one question. Integration of, see all the formulas, shortcuts I am giving you. So that may be helpful to you and you can write in exam easily. Okay. So you want which one, tell me? First one or second one? Which one I need to explain? Tell me. You tell me which one you want. First one or second one? Should I explain first or second? First question or second question? Which one I need to explain? Say first. I gave two questions now. One, two. Which one you want? Okay, sir. Integration of dx upon x square minus 6x plus 13 you want to solve according to this. So first you have to find b square minus 4ac. So just check the b square minus 4ac here. B here a is 1, b is minus 6. If you compare this, a is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to minus 6. C is equal to 13. B square, that is minus 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 13. 6 square is 36 and you know 13 fours are how much it is 52. So here you are going to get less than 0. This is getting negative. So less than 0. Less than 0 means I have to use this formula. So the answer will be 2 upon square root of 4 into a is 1 into c is 13 minus b square. B square means minus 6 whole square. Okay. Tan inverse d by dx of x square minus 6x plus 13 divided by square root of 4 into a. A is 1 into c. C is 13. 13 minus b square. B square means how much? Minus 6 whole square plus c. You see that both are the formulas here. 4ac minus b square minus 4ac. You know why they given negative of square root, it get this complex number. That's why they have given the c simple one. This is not difficult one to remember also. 2 upon under root of 13 fours are how much? How much? 52. 52 minus 36 tan inverse. Now here differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 6x is 6. Differentiation of 13 is 0. Divide by under root of again you get this is only 52 minus 36 plus c. You can do this that much. Very simple this is. Did you understand? Did you understand now? Just you have to substitute. That's very simple. Did you understand this? What I explained? Understood or not? Hello, understood or no? Did you understand or not understood? Understood or not understood? Radhika, formula is substituted in the formula. Yes, understood. So you are able to see the board, right? So these are the shortcuts. These are all the shortcuts of integration. Okay. Already I explained all the shortcuts. Still you have any? Then I will explain definitely. Done? Okay. So tomorrow I will explain more questions on this. Okay. I will explain tomorrow more. Tomorrow I will explain the previous year questions also. Today these shortcuts you can prepare and solve such shortcuts. Based on these shortcuts you can solve it. Okay. Based on these shortcuts you can solve it. I explain whatever I explain. Based on these shortcuts you solve it. Tomorrow we'll do previous year questions. Okay, I gave this shortcut formula. Let's see here. Kanishka, you are here, right? Tell me this shortcut. Last one shortcut is left. Did I explain or not? Tell me. Let me know the shortcut I explained or not. Integration of dx upon sin x plus or minus cos x. Integration of this one. So the formula is 1 upon under root of a square plus b square log mod tan x by 2 minus tan inverse b divided by 2 plus c. This shortcut formula I get. Did I get this shortcut formula? So you have, if you have plus, see here, if you have plus, you will get here plus formula. Integration of dx upon sin x minus cos x dx is equal to 1 upon. If you have a, here I not written a, b, c, d, right? So that's why you are confused. I'll write a, b, c. Okay. A sin x, b cos x. So that's you get here a sin x, b cos x. So integration of dx upon a sin x plus b cos x, integration of dx upon a sin x minus b cos x is equal to under root of a square plus b square log mod tan x by 2 minus tan inverse b divided by 2 plus c. This is the formula. These are the formulas. Did I explain this formula? No. No, no. So this is also right up. Okay. integration of dx upon a sin x plus b cos x formula is 1 by under root of a square plus b square log tan x by 2 plus tan inverse b by 2 plus c. Integration of dx upon a sin x minus b cos x is equal to 1 upon under root of a square plus b square log mod tan x by 2 minus tan inverse b by 2 plus c. These are all the formulas of integration and these are the shortcut methods. All of these are shortcut methods. Here, this is the second lecture on the shortcut methods of integration. Even in 3D also I explained 4 lectures on shortcuts. Problems also I explained in 3D. So this is the integration. Okay, it is integration. So integrate. Let us solve a question. Integration dx upon, if you have 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Suppose 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. If you want to find integration of dx upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, the formula according to this 1 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square log mod tan x by 2 plus tan inverse b. Here if you compare here, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. So tan 4 divided by 2 plus c is the answer. So this is the very simplest way you can do 1 upon 4 square is 16 plus 9, that is root 25 is 5. 1 by 5 log mod tan x by 2 plus tan inverse 4 divided by 2 plus c will be the answer. This will be the answer. So these formulas also important formulas. Okay. So these are the important formulas, all of shortcuts, shortcut formulas. These are. So remember these formulas. Okay. Remember these formulas. Okay. Just wait. Actually, formula is this. Formula is this. Log mod tan. This is the formula. So you get here bracket then modulus. Here you get bracket and modulus. So this is what you are going to get. Okay. The formula is what? What is the formula? I repeat again, 1 by under root of a square plus b square log mod tan x by 2 plus or minus x by 2 plus x by, if the bracket is here, tan of x by 2, bracket is here, bracket. So this is the answer. Remember, this is the shortcut method. So you get 1 by 5 log tan x by 2. This is modulus symbol. Okay, modulus. Log mod tan x by 2 plus tan inverse 4 divided by 2 mod plus c. So please correct the formula. This is the formula here. So this is the formula here. This is the formula. By this formula, we can find any integration such questions. If we have plus, use here plus symbol. If we have minus, we are going to get here minus. Formula is same for both. Only here is the change. Plus minus is the change. For plus here you get plus. For minus you will get here minus. So these are the shortcut formulas of integrations. I hope you have understood. Have you copied all this? So I have a class in 11th class. So take care. Bye bye. Now we can stop this lecture. If you want to copy, you can copy it.